Hello everyone, good afternoon. This is our project Suncrest Estates at Southern Bypass, Kolkata, and you can see this is a 3 BHK model apartment of 1411 square feet sellable area, and this is a huge living cum dining area along with this TV unit space. Now come this side. This is the dining area, beautifully crafted, just to give you a glimpse how you can decorate your apartment and see the space of this living cum dining area. And with this living cum dining, you will be having your attached balcony space like this. It's a hefty size balcony. And come this side, this is the lobby space. On my left hand side, this is the kitchen space, beautifully crafted kitchen with L pattern countertop, a chimney hub like this, and a separate space for refrigerator. Now come this side. On the lobby, on my right, this is the first bedroom. So see the beauty of this first bedroom. It's a standard size first bedroom with having a size of 12 feet by 11 feet with a master size bed. And with this bedroom, you will be having your wardrobe space like this and a TV unit like this one. And now come outside again. So just corner to that, this is the second bedroom, and this is the first master bedroom of this apartment. Beautifully crafted master bedroom with having windows on both the side. And this side you can see this is the attached toilet space. A hefty attached toilet. The size of this toilet is approximately 8 feet by 5 feet. And see the space of this bedroom. It's a beautiful space with a very big size wardrobe space like this. And you can decorate your TV unit over here. So now come this side. Just opposite to that, this is the common toilet space. So this is the common toilet space. A separate shower space. And this is the washing machine point inlet and outlet. And now come inside the third bedroom or the second master bedroom. So this is the attached toilet of second master bedroom or third bedroom. It's a hefty size toilet. And see the beautiful third bedroom with having windows on both the side, a wardrobe space like this. And come this side, you will decorate your TV unit over here, a beautiful space like this one. So this is a 3 BHK with 3 toilets apartment. So thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe for further updates, and please call us as early as possible. Thanks a lot.